So right here I have the most pickable master lock ever. I took a metal coat hanger, I bent it a few different ways, as you can see. They look pretty similar, but they're pretty different. I mean, you can see one has more of a bend than the other. This one is, more like a key. You turn it instead. This is what the key looks like. Um, the keyway has a little safety in the top, and it's a cylinder core, I guess. So you can't put it in like this. You have to have it straight, but you can still turn it with the first notch. It doesn't unlock though. The second notch, you can feel it hitting something. And then the second, boom, unlocks. You don't even fully need to turn the key. So, let me show you. That's how far I turned it. Not even all the way. So this is how it's the most pickable lock. So you can take your coat hanger. All you gotta do, push it in to where it's touching the bottom. You turn it. It's unlocked. I'll do that again. Okay, you ready? It's unlocked. I think this is the easiest lock. This is the first lock I have ever picked. I was just messing around and it just unlocked. So this one, you don't have to shimmy it around. It's actually so easy that, here, let me hold it like this. See, when it goes in, okay, it's in like the key. And I turn it, it unlocks. And yes, it is an actual master lock. Easily unlocks. It's so easy, like, to be able to do this. Like, I don't know why they would make something this easy to unlock, but both of these are the exact same. The key goes to both of them. So I can't say if it was just a flaw in this lock or it was just all of them that were made. It's a Master Lock Model 22. It says patented right there under the lock. One of them is more new compared to the other. You can see. But the key obviously does it the fastest. You just push it in, twist it, boom, open. But it honestly isn't as bad with just this coat hanger. It's so easy that this wouldn't even be called security. This one is more just like a shim. You just shimmy it around and it unlocks.